How to change your username in Perplexity AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now here, there's a section called username. Simply tap on username. So basically, you can edit it right here. So here, you can rename it by giving any name that you want to. And at last, tap on continue. So it will take some time. And as you can see, the username is completely changed to what you have just written. And if you go back, it's all set to go. So this won't affect any of your Google account. So it just affects the way AI talks with you. After that, you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.